Hello everyone. In my last class, I have discussed with you about an introduction to English language, and I have discussed with you about an importance of English language at this present situation. But in this class, I am going to discuss with you about the important components of English language. The important components of English language. In one side, I have written what are the points are very important. What are the points are considered as a very important components of English language. First one is alphabet. Here, the meaning of alphabet I have written. What is the meaning of alphabet? Alphabet, a set of letters in a fixed order used to represent the basic sounds of a language. It is alphabet. After that, phonetics. The meaning of phonetics is the study and classification of speech sounds. Phonetics means a study, the study and the classification of speech sounds. Next, third is a very important point. Each and every language is combined by that word. Word is a very important unit in a language. A word, the smallest unit of a language. It has particular meaning and can be expressed by itself. Each and every language is consisting. The words are very important. The fourth one is linguistics. Linguistics is the scientific study of any language. Okay, in this class, I am going to discuss about these very important components of English language. It's very important. First one is alphabet. Okay, we already have understood the meaning of alphabet. But each and every language has its own alphabet. But while using the spelling of alphabet, some of you are going to writing misspellings. Okay, and here I will clarify the things how the alphabet word is going to misspelled by others. Here I will write two words. First letter is alphabet. Here alphabets I will write. Because most of you are following this, the spelling of alphabets only. But one more word I will write. It is also deals with the alphabet only. But I thought, I hope you might have understood the different spellings because alphabets and alphabet only. How it is possible and which is right and which is wrong, I will clarify that. The most of you are, while understanding, while dealing with alphabets is wrong, right according to your opinion. Just you have to take a minute. Which is right and which is wrong. You have to imagine, you have to think in your mind. And which is right and which is wrong according to your opinion. But no more than 90% of the persons, they are going to agree with this spelling of alphabets. But only rare students or rare persons are giving the majority for this alphabet is right. And why it is right, why it is wrong, and why it is right, I will clarify now. For example, alphabets. What do we call it in Kannada? Varnamalegalu. This alphabet is only called Varnamale. But how it is possible? And which is right and which is wrong? See here. relevant examples I will write, you will understand the meaning of alphabet and alphabets, which is right and which is wrong, you can clarify here. I will write here. People's, in this way, I will write in this side, people only. People, peoples. Okay, next. One more word. Police. Polices. Or we can write here police. Only police. Next, one more word. Mathematics. Mathematics. But mathematics is, and here only mathematics. Mathematics. By understanding these things, we can clarify our doubts. How it is right and how it is wrong. Alphabets, varnamalegalu, it is wrong, totally wrong. Peoples, janarugalu, it is also totally wrong. Polices, avarakshakarugalu, it is also totally wrong. And mathematics, ganitagalu, it is totally wrong. But which are right here? Alphabet, varnamale, a set of letters. Varnamale, people, janaru, police, arakshakaru, mathematics, ganita. Okay, we cannot consider them as alphabets, peoples, polices, and mathematics. These all things are wrong. But okay, here these all the things are wrong. These all the spellings are right. Still, you might be in a confusion. How it is wrong? Prove it. Just a minute, wait. I will prove that. And why alphabet is only right? I will tell you that. See that? Here I will write that alphabet, and I will clarify your doubts. Alphabet. Okay, I have told you already, alphabet is nothing but a set of letters. There are 26 alphabet in English, authentic word. For example, there are 26 alphabet in English. Alphabet means varnamale. You have to think. You might have idea about the garland. Garland means hooviನ ಮಾಲೆ. Okay, if I give you only one flower, one flower, is it possible to prepare a garland? No, it is not possible. If I gave you 26 flowers, is it possible to preparing a beautiful garland? Yes, it is possible. So here there are 26 alphabets in English language. Next, these 26 alphabets, we have told you set of letters. Okay, and in a fixed order used to represent the basic sounds of language. This is the alphabet. Next, the phonetics will come. Phonetics means Shabda Shastra, the study and classification of speech sounds. Phonetics means, okay, there are 26 alphabets. Again, these 26 alphabet are divided into two parts. First one is vowels, and second one is consonants. How many consonants are there and how many vowels are there in English? There are 5 vowels in English. There are 21 consonants in English. Just we have divided, but according to phonetics, how many sounds are there, and how many vowels are producing how many sounds, and consonant, total 21 consonants are producing how many sounds in English. It deals with There are here five vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These five vowels are producing 20 sounds. See there in English. These five vowels are producing 20 sounds. But what about the consonants? There are 21 consonants. How many sounds they are going to produce? They are producing for 24 sounds in English language. Here, 5 vowels are producing 20 sounds and 21 consonants are producing 24 sounds. How many total number of sounds in English? There are 44 sounds in English language according to phonetics. How many sounds are there? Total number of sounds in English language? There are 44 sounds in English language. The most of the times in competitive exams are related to English grammar. They have asked this question. 5 vowels are producing dash sounds. 20 sounds. 21 consonants are producing dash sounds. 24. There are a total. How many sounds are there in English language? There are 44 sounds in English language. This is all about alphabet and phonetics. In phonetics, some other aspects will come. Monotongues, diphthongs, triphthongs will come. We cannot deal with that. Just we are identifying or dealing with the very important components of English language. Next point. By knowing these, the alphabet, the sounds of English language, again the questions are arising in your mind. Which kind of questions are arising in your mind? Here there are 26 alphabet in the English language, but we need to discover that. We should know about surrounding languages of Karnataka. Karnataka means Kannada, Andhra Pradesh, Telugu, Tamilu, Maharashtra, Marathi, and one more important thing is that which is our national language? Hindi. We should know about just glancing on which language has how many alphabets in its language. Here, first I will prepare a chart regarding this language. Okay, here how many vowels are there? Vowels in a particular language and consonants. How many consonants are there in each and every language? And after that, the total number of alphabet in each and every language. For example, first we have to take, here it is a list of vowels and consonants, a total number of alphabet in each and every language. Here, first one, we have discussed already about English only. First we have to mention in this list English. How many vowels it has? 5 vowels, 21 consonants. How many total number of alphabets in English? There are 26 alphabet in English language. What about Kannada language? We should understand that. Okay, second language is Kannada. How many alphabet are there already? We should know about Kannada language. It has 13 vowels and 36 consonants. Totally 49 alphabet or set of letters in Kannada language. What about Marathi? Okay, Marathi, third language, because they are the neighbor states. Marathi. How many alphabet it has? It has 14 vowels, 36 consonants. There are 50 set of letters in Marathi language. What about in Hindi? Okay, what about in Hindi? 4. Because it is our national language. There are 13 vowels and 33 consonants. Totally 46 set of letters are there in a Hindi language. It is all about. One more language you can see that is Telugu. Okay, Telugu language. Telugu. It has 16 vowels and 36 consonants. Total 52 sets of letters in Telugu language. Just we have glanced once. English language has 26 alphabet. Kannada language has 49 alphabet. Marathi has 50 alphabet. And Hindi has 46 alphabet. And Telugu has 52 alphabet gradually. But by knowing, by understanding the set of letters, vowels and consonants, the one questions, because each and every language has its own vowels and consonants and even different numbers. We cannot get the total different numbers. But here, by knowing this all those things, which is a question will arise. By knowing this, 26, 52, 49, 46, these all those things are, but one question will come in our mind. Okay, knowing these all those things, here, first question will arise. What is the first question? Which is the longest? Which is the longest alphabet? Which is the longest alphabet in the world? In the world. Which language might be? Which is the longest alphabet in the world? We should know that. For extra knowledge purpose, which is the longest alphabet in the world? Answer is it is a Cambodian language. Which language has a Cambodian language? Has a 74 set of letters. Cambodian language has a 74 set of letters. This is considered as the longest alphabet in the world. Just we have seen here the topmost alphabet. But which is the shortest? Second question. Which is the shortest? Which is the shortest alphabet? Which is the shortest alphabet in the world? Again the question will come in our mind. Which would be, which language might be the shortest alphabet in the world? Answer is, Rotokos language. Rotokos language has only 12 set of letters. Rotokos language has only 12 set of letters. It is called as a shortest alphabet in the world. I hope this thing is clarified. We are dealing with how that alphabet is playing an important role in each and every language. Okay, next. What is the next point in our content table? Which is the next? Linguistics. Linguistics is very important component of English language. What is the duty and how it is playing an important role? Linguistics is the scientific study of any language. Scientific means how the origin of language, the development of language, how the scripts are modifying to get a proper structure of a language. It is deals with linguistics. But one more important aspect is that what is the first one is a fifth aspect. What is a grammar? We have left in our content list. What is that? Grammar. In Kannada, it is Vyakarana. What is the meaning of grammar according to your opinion? And how the grammar is playing an important role? Okay, in my next class, I am going to deal with by knowing. Until then, you can search, you can understand the meaning of grammar of your own. And in my next class, I am going to deal with the grammar and which are the very important concepts are including in this grammar. We will see in the next class.